Hi, welcome back to Free AI Tools tutorials. So did you know that now anyone can create their own songs and music, even if they have zero knowledge about music and know how to play any musical instruments? Yes, that is totally true and achievable for anyone. In this video, I will show and guide you on how to use 5 AI tool music generators that you can use for free. I've tested each one so you don't have to. Just compare the results in the final section of each part and choose the best one you like. So, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started.
Part 1. Suno AI Music Generator. Suno AI. Now go to Suno AI's on the home screen. You can listen to their AI music examples. To create your own AI music, you need a Suno AI account. Click the Sign Up option. You can continue using Discord, Google, or Microsoft account. Now click on the Create menu to open the Create Music page. After that, describe what kind of music or song you want to generate with natural language. You can also set the BPM if needed. FYI, BPM is the abbreviation of beats per minute, a musical term that measures the tempo of the music. The tempo refers to the music's speed or pace, and the beat measures the music's length. In other words, BPM is the unit of measurement for the tempo, determining the song's pace. After that, you can turn the instrumental option on or off. Now, select the AI music generator version from the list. After everything is set, click the Create button to start generating your AI music. After the generation process is complete, you can play your AI music by clicking the Play button. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can improve it by changing your prompt and regenerating it. If you are satisfied with the result, go to the library page. From the song list, click the Option button, select Download, and you can choose to download it as an audio file or a video file. Here are the results from this part.
Come Hero, take me home to the place I belong. Come Hero, take me home to the place I belong.
Part 2. Udio AI Music Generator. The second free AI music generator is Udio AI. Now, click the Sign button, and you can continue using your Google, Discord, or Twitter account. To generate an AI song or music, simply type your prompt in the prompt box using natural language. You can also use their suggested prompts if you want. You can choose custom lyrics, instrumental, or auto-generated options. In this example, I will choose the instrumental option. After everything is set, click the Create button to start generating your AI music. After the generation process is complete, you can play, remix, extend, or publish your AI music. In this example, I will try the remix option to add lyrics to the music. Click on the Lyrics option and type your song lyrics. You can also set the variance value if needed. After that, click the Remix button to start the remix process.
Oh, take me home, back to the city that I belong.
If you are satisfied with the result, click the Option button on the result you like and select the Download option to download your AI song. Here is the result from this part.
Oh, take me home, back to the city that I belong.
Part 3. Music FX AI Music Generator. The third free AI music generator is Music FX AI. Click the Launch Music FX button and click Sign in with Google to start using this AI tool. Now, type your prompt in the prompt box. After that, click the Generate button to continue. This AI tool will give you two results. You can change the music length from the setting menu. You can also activate the looping option if you want to make endless music. Now, let's change our prompt to try our new setting. After that, click the Generate button to generate new AI music with the new setting applied. This AI tool will give you automated settings for your prompt, which you can use to optimize your music, such as the music genre, tempo, etc. If you are satisfied with the result, click the Download button to save your AI-generated music to your local computer. Here is the result from this part. Part 4. Write-Sify AI Music Generator. The fourth free AI music generator is Write-Sify AI. Now click on the Try Our AI Music Model button to get started. Select the Free Plan option. You will need to fill out the form to continue. After that, log into your free account. Now type your prompt in the prompt box. After that, set the music length. Select the AI music model from the list and click the Generate Music button to start generating your AI music. If you're not satisfied with the result, click the Generate Music button to start generating a new one. If you're satisfied with the result, click the Download button to save your AI music to your local computer. Here is the result from this part. Part 5. Loudly AI Music Generator. The fifth free AI music generator is Loudly AI. Click the Login button to get started. You can continue using your Google, Facebook, or email account. From the user dashboard, click the Generate button. Type your prompt in the prompt box and click the Generate button to continue. Now you can change music settings from the settings screen. After everything is set, click the Generate button to start generating your AI music. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can improve your music settings from the settings options. To download the result, click the Download button. For a free account, you can only download your music as an MP3 format and only one download per account. Here is the result from this part.